In part 1 I showed you how to remove the AC compressor. In part 2 how to flush the AC pipes. In part 3 how to replace the expansion valve. And now it is time to install the new compressor. So we have here the new compressor and we are going to install it. So we have here the compressor. It should be fixed by these four bolts, and it should go over here in this four bolts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you will notice that you have here a thread. Actually this thread will help you to hang the compressor while tying these bolts, and this thread should go over this hole. It should be like this, these four bolts, and this thread should go over here. I will use the thread lock glue. Put very little amount, just it is like drawing a straight line over the threads. Here we put the compressor with the 4 bolts, and then it is time to check the torque for each one. I just hand tight it, and then I will check the torque. The torque specs for these 4 bolts should be between 14 to 19 foot-pound. Here I have the torque wrench, and I set it up at 17 foot-pound force. Okay, now we did the torque for all of the bolts at 17 foot-pound force, and it is time to install these 2 pipes. It has here gaskets, and we should replace these gaskets first and then install the pipes in its place. One right here and one right here. I put here the new gaskets over the old ones. The black ones are the old and the green ones are the new ones. Before installing the new gaskets, it is highly recommended to make it wet with some oil. You can use the old compressor oil to make it wet and then install it in the pipes. Here we installed the new gaskets, and the new compressor comes with these caps, and it has these 2 bolts. So we are going to use the hexa section to remove these hexa bolts. Here we put the 2 pipes in its place. For sure the orange cap was for the high pressure, for the small diameter pipe, and the blue one for the low pressure, for the big diameter pipe. So you will not get confused because they are different diameters, so no one will fit in the place of the other one. So now we will bring the bolt for each one to fix the pipe in the compressor. Here I put the bolts. I put also anti-lock glue over the thread before putting the bolts in place, and then I hand tight it, and then I will do the torque specs for each one. Each of these 2 bolts has a torque specs of 62 to 86 inch-pound force. Here I have the torque wrench. I set it up at 80 inch-pound force, and I will do the torque for each bolt using a 10mm socket. The last thing you need to do is to connect the wire for the AC compressor. Okay, now we are done. We put the compressor, connected the pipes, connected the electricity for the compressor, and also put the cover back. So now we install the compressor. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please press like and share the video. Subscribe to my channel. I will upload also more videos about installing the condenser for the same car. Thank you for watching.